Welcome back to this new video tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to make a column in Excel where only the numeric values can be entered. Here I have a format for entering the details of the invoice. In this first column in the invoice number, I need to enter only the numeric values. If I mistakenly enter some text value or the combination of number and text, then Excel should reject the entry here. For example, here if I enter 12, then the value is accepted, but here if I enter some text value, then it is rejected. Like here you see a error message is given. It says please enter the numeric values only, and you need to click on the retry, then make it the number value, then the value gets accepted. Similarly, if you put here some combination of number and text, then it will reject the entry. So here we are going to learn how to do this. We do this by using the data validation tool of Excel. So first of all, let me delete the rule from here by selecting the column, then click on data tab, data validation, then I will click on clear all. Then the rule is now cleared. If I enter here the text value, then it is accepted because there is no any rule defined now. Let's start with the process of doing this. First of all, select your column where you want to apply the rule, then click on data tab, then data validation. Then here in the data validation dialog box, click on the setting tab, then here in the drop down choose this custom option, and here in the formula bar write this formula, press equal to, then type is number, open the bracket, then give the first cell reference of this column, that is the B1 cell. So here type B1, then before column B apply the dollar symbol here, then click at the end of the formula, close the bracket, press is equal to, then type true. Let me zoom the screen size so that you can clearly see this formula. After writing this formula here, then in the error alert you can set some message, which is in the title you can give error, and in the message you can write please enter number value only. This way you can set up the message, then click OK. Now this will reject the entry of text value or a combination of number or text value here. If I enter here some text and number combination, the value is rejected. You have to click on retry, then put the number value only, and all the number gets accepted but not the text. So this is the way of making a column in Excel where we can only enter the numeric values. And this much for today's video. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, I request you to subscribe and also turn on all the notifications so that you will get similar kind of video updates in future. Thank you very much for watching this. We will again meet on next video tutorial.